Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain about acid. Dear students, your second chapter is acid, bases and salts. And I am going to discuss about acids today. Dear students, as you know, acid is sour in taste and it turns blue litmus into red. But now you have to learn the new definition like this. Acid is the substance which produces hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, these are acids. Dear students, now we'll discuss about the physical properties and chemical properties of acids. But before going ahead, we have to discuss about strong acid, weak acid, organic acid, mineral acid, concentrated acid and dilute acid. Dear students, on the basis of its origin, acids can be classified into two parts, organic acid and mineral acid. The acids which are obtained from plants or animals are called organic acid. Example, citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid. And the acids which are obtained from minerals are called mineral acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these are mineral acids. Dear students, on the basis of concentration of water in the acidic solution, acids can be classified into two parts, dilute acid and concentrated acid. The acidic solution which contains large amount of water is called dilute acid, and the acidic solution which contains minimum possible amount of water is called concentrated acid. Dear students, strong acid and weak acid on the basis of hydrogen ion concentration or on the basis of presence of hydrogen ion concentration, acids can be classified into two parts, strong acid and weak acid. The acid which can produce large amount of hydrogen ions when dissolved in water is called strong acid, or in another words you can say that the acids which is completely ionized in aqueous solution is called strong acid. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, these are strong acids, and the acids which partially ionize when dissolved in water and produce comparatively less amount of hydrogen ions is called weak acid. Phosphoric acid, acetic acid, these are weak acids. Dear students, now we will discuss about the physical properties of acid. Acids are sour in taste. Acids are good conductor of, acidic solutions are good conductor of electricity. Acids are completely soluble in water. Acids turns blue litmus into red. There are indicators methyl orange and phenolphthalein. So acid turns methyl orange, which is an indicator, turns into red. Acid remains colorless in phenolphthalein solution. Now we will discuss about chemical properties of acids. Dear students, first chemical property, the reaction of an acid with a metal. Dear students, when an acid reacts with a metal, it produces metal salt and hydrogen gas is released. Acid plus metal, metal salt plus hydrogen gas. I have taken an example here. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, which is an acid. So HCl, zinc is a metal. So HCl plus zinc. Arrow, ZnCl2 plus H2. So this is our conclusion. When an acid reacts with a metal, it produces metal salt and hydrogen gas. So acid plus metal, metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Example, 2HCl plus Zn, ZnCl2 plus H2. Second chemical properties of acids. When acid reacts with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate, it produces metal salt, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Yes, dear students, acid plus metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate, arrow, metal salt plus carbon dioxide plus water vapor. Here we have taken an example of acid HCl, and for metal carbonate we have taken example sodium carbonate. So 2HCl plus Na2CO3, 2NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O, or HCl plus NaHCO3, arrow, NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. So dear students, when an acid reacts with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate, it produces metal salt, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Yes, dear students. The third chemical property, the reaction of an acid with a base. So when an acid reacts with a base, it produces salt and water. So we can write here acid plus base, arrow, salt and water. HCl, which is an acid, NaOH, which is a base, so HCl plus NaOH, arrow, NaCl plus H2O. So we can summarize here, when an acid reacts with a base, it produces salt and water. Dear students, fourth chemical reaction, what happens when an acid reacts with metal oxide? As you know, metal oxides are basic in nature. Sodium oxide, potassium oxide, these are metal oxides and these are basic in nature. So dear students, when an acid reacts with metal oxide, it produces salt and water. So we can write here acid plus metal oxide, salt plus water. I have taken HCl as an acid, sodium oxide as metal oxide. So when HCl reacts with sodium oxide, it produces NaCl and water. So we can write here 2HCl plus Na2O, 2NaCl plus H2O. So these are the four major chemical properties of acids.